it's Anna from the For Real YouTube channel. Ever found yourself stuck with an iPhone locked to a specific carrier? It's pretty frustrating, isn't it? Whether you're looking to switch carriers or simply want the flexibility to use any SIM card, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll guide you through several reliable methods to safely unlock your iPhone from its carrier lock, giving you the freedom to use it however you like. Remember, this guide is for those who legally own their device and want to change carriers. We don't support or endorse any illegal activities like unlocking stolen devices. Please respect the law and the rights of others. Our video adheres to YouTube's rules and community standards. So with that in mind, let's dive in. There are some services available that make this process really straightforward, so no need to worry. First up, there's Unlock. Here's AI-powered unlocking web app. It's free, up-to-date, and super fast. Then there's Safe Unlocks, a trusted service that's been around for a while and costs just $1. Lastly, if you're dealing with an IMEI blacklist, ESN Doctor is a specialist service and a top recommendation. Now, let's walk through using Unlock. Here's AI Unlocking Assistant to remove the blacklist from your device. First, open your browser on your phone or computer and visit unlockhere.com to start. Once the website loads, you'll meet Nifty, the AI-powered tool by UnlockHere. Scroll down a bit and select the carrier unlock option that suits your needs. From there, follow a few simple steps. Begin by selecting your device's brand from the list, which includes all major and medium-sized brands, and click the Next button. You'll then need to enter your device's IMEI or serial number. If you're not sure how to find it, there's a tutorial on the app. Just go to your phone's dialer and press *#06# to display your device's information, including the IMEI number. Next, you'll be asked to provide your name and email address to complete your application. Don't forget to agree to the terms and conditions. If you have any questions, resources are available to help. Once your request is processed, you'll receive an email with the unlock details, usually within 5 to 15 minutes. So keep an eye on your inbox and check your spam or promotions folder if needed. To finalize the process, copy the verification code from the email, click on Confirm Carrier Unlock. Paste the code on the page, complete the CAPTCHA, and hit Validate Info and Start Unlock. Nifty will handle the rest. As you can see here, we swipe up to see the iPhone locked to owner page. In this part, it really takes time and patience. We wait for the unlock process to activate the phone. And as you can see, we swipe left and wait for a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Don't worry, it will be worth the wait. You will enjoy your phone once again once it's finally unlocked. So it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Patience is the key here. And there it is. In this part, let's skip all the setup. Don't worry, you can go back to set it all up later. Make sure to check the terms and conditions, and skip the rest of the steps, and just do it all later on. Now, go to Settings and create your own Apple ID. Tap Forget Password or Don't Have Apple ID to create a new one. And here, you can just add your personal details to continue. And here's a shortcut to check your device info, making sure that this is legit. And yeah, your device is now fully unlocked and ready to use. It's worth noting that the unlock services mentioned only work in certain countries. If you can't access these services or prefer not to use them, we offer 250 unlocks every week for our viewers. To enter, simply like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your phone model, IMEI number, and country. You'll be automatically entered once you complete these steps. Another straightforward way to remove a carrier lock from your phone is to contact your carrier directly. Many carriers offer unlock services after you meet certain conditions, such as completing your contract or paying off your device. It's always a good idea to check with them first, as they can guide you through their specific process, ensuring your phone is unlocked legally and without any issues. Using third-party services that specialize in unlocking phones is another option. These services are widely available, but it's crucial to choose a reputable one. Always verify that the service operates within legal boundaries and follows proper procedures to ensure your device remains secure. Some phones can also be unlocked using software designed for this purpose. However, this method should be approached with caution, as not all software tools are reliable. It's important to do your research and ensure that any software you use is legitimate and won't compromise your phone's security or functionality. Lastly, if you're traveling or need temporary access to another network, consider using a local SIM card in an unlocked phone or renting an unlocked phone for your trip. Thanks for watching. If this worked for you or if you have any other questions, drop a comment below. Just a reminder, the unlock services we discussed only work in certain countries. If you can't access these services or choose not to use them, we offer 250 unlocks every week for our viewers. To enter, simply like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your phone model, IMEI number, and country. You'll be automatically entered once you complete these steps. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos and tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss our new content. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.